We are disassembling the IKEA shelves, but Hago thinks this is playtime, and don't walk on that. Oh man, now Misha's involved. He's like, this is so weird, I don't like it.
Perfect spot, Hago.
Dad and his helper. This is like a jungle gym.
Nothing broke so far.
Nothing's gonna break, okay? Right, Hago? Supervise. Make sure nothing breaks.
Taking apart IKEA.
This is so much work. Gabe's about to go pick up the pizza.
Of course.
And he put on his Pizza Planet shirt.
Yes. It's the only shirt you've used. Pick up pizza.
Hago's like, I can pick up pizza too. All right, the
Pizza
house
Planet.
is a disaster. Our friend's gonna help us with a car, so I'm trying to pile up things that are awkward. And Gabe took apart his dresser. So now here's all of his stuff that was in the dresser. Oh my gosh, it's just a disaster. So
It's amazing.
it's a mess.
See if anybody knows that movie reference.
Comment below. There's a bird in this backpack. I don't know if you can see.
I didn't press record, my bad.
You drive me crazy.
So we're doing it again. Misha, I'm trying to fight for you to get this chair, because clearly you like that chair.
And I popped my head out and I said, you're not keeping that chair.
We had our first debate,
Putting
argument.
my foot down.
Okay, bathroom number 1.
Bathroom number 1 is clean. It's as clean as it's ever gonna be. And this is something that Taiwan houses have, that American houses should have, is like every room has a drain in the floor. So you can just like hose it down and then it just drain in there. It's very convenient for clean. Okay, we did it. Bathroom number, I did it.
She did it. I'm not going to take any credit for that.
Bathroom number 1, clean.
Traditionally in Taiwan, when you go to an apartment, they normally have just the box springs.
We have this.
It's essentially a takami mat.
It's like sleeping on the floor basically. So we need to get something to put on top of it. And he was thinking I was an idiot because you can't like sit on these. So I was doing like an elbow test. Imagine I was watching TV and he thought I was an idiot. Then he did it. And he realized, do the elbow test.
What's the difference?
And he's like, oh, the elbow test.
This is a car seat.
He said, oh, this one feels like a car seat. Because I said the elbow test, this one feels like a real mattress.
It does feel like a real mattress. He's right.
Say it again.
You're right, dear.
We're day 100, it feels like. Today we have IKEA coming to put together our furniture. We could have done it, but honestly the price to have it done wasn't that expensive, and just for the convenient factor, so they're gonna come today. So this is our living room now, and this is our living room when they're finished. Okay, it's Halloween, so happy Halloween. We had a busy day, moving in stuff, and IKEA put together our couch, and now we are at Fridays, and apparently they have like a Halloween shindig, and we got a monster milkshake. The staff is dressed up, and it's like decorated really Halloween, so we were feeling like, not really Halloween, and now it's pretty fun. The kids are all dressed up, and it's good.
We're treating ourselves because we had a long day.
We didn't eat all day long.
Yeah.
So IKEA came like 2 hours later than the latest time they could have come, so we ended up not getting lunch. So now this is our treat
Lunch
of the day.
/ dinner.
Yes, lunch, dinner, breakfast. And we are in the thick of it. We're still moving. Today's the big day. Misha and Hago's crates are gonna go, so it's like the official day. Because once their crates go, they go. She doesn't know what's happening.
And now it's Hago licking the camera.
And we've had some people helping us bring their car. Today, Gabe's friend is gonna come and help move this and move the dog crates. And we still have a table and a shoe rack and then all this other little stuff. It's a big job, but soon, 2 more weeks, it'll be all over. They've officially moved. They're here forever. And you see that? Misha wasn't happy we had a new couch and she rolled around crazy. Misha, come here. Misha, come here. And she's been getting the pillows all the way she likes them. So they'll be okay. They had their first meal here too. All right, this is your new home. He's trying to figure out the TV because we changed it to English, but it's still in Chinese. So I don't know. We feel like old people because there's only one button and we didn't even know how to turn it off. Okay. See ya.